In this video, we'll show you what you can do with your trees. EcoMatcher offers various online integration tools to digitally send trees to your customers or employees. You can find all the tools under the Get Started section at the top of the navigation bar. Let's look at the online tools first by clicking Tree Manager. The first option is the Send by Email tool. With this tool, you can put together a custom email linked to a tree that EcoMatcher will send on your behalf. Each email includes a Track Your Tree button that enables the recipient to track their tree. You can send emails one by one or in bulk. If you prefer to use your marketing tools for sending out emails, you can download tree links in a spreadsheet and embed the tree links in the emails you send. Once the recipient selects the tree link, they will travel virtually to their tree. The spreadsheet contains the tree links, the country, and the unique track code of each tree. The third option the Tree Manager offers is the QR code option. Each QR code is unique and represents a unique tree link. The QR codes can be downloaded in PNG format all at once, enabling you to integrate those QR codes with your product or service easily. The next option is using Tree Card, a beautiful postcard-sized card that you can fully design. EcoMatcher also offers templates. Each tree card is linked to a tree via our QR code that automatically is included in each tree card. Tree Card can be downloaded in PDF format, making it easy to print yourself or send to your local print shop. The last option Tree Manager offers you is to design a custom landing page where people can redeem trees. Once someone visits such a landing page and enters a coupon code and their email address, a custom email link to a unique tree will be sent instantly to them. Now let's explore some of the more advanced integrated options EcoMatcher offers. Within the WooCommerce plugin, you can offer your customers trees in your shopping cart. You can gift trees or, if you prefer, sell trees. The plugin automatically adds a Plant a Tree button in your cart that, once selected, adds a tree to the customer's cart. The price of the tree you can define yourself. Once they pay, the customer will get the tree or trees immediately. Similar to EcoMatcher's WooCommerce plugin, EcoMatcher also offers a plugin for Shopify. The steps are identical. To use the plugins, you need to have a minimum of 100 trees in your account. If you want to fully integrate EcoMatcher with your digital platform, you can make use of the various APIs EcoMatcher offers. Please contact us for more information. In the following videos, we'll go more into detail per option.